Hey everyone! For years, people believed the premium compact camera was officially dead. Smartphones kept getting better at every single thing, better zoom, better low light, better everything. Many analysts and photographers thought no one would ever buy a small dedicated camera again. But the camera world never stops moving. Right now, leaks and supply chain reports are pointing toward a massive comeback, the Sony RX100 Mark VIII. This isn't just another small update. It feels like a complete rebirth of the legendary pocket camera that once changed how we think about small cameras. The biggest upgrade is a brand new 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. You might be wondering why this matters. Previous versions already used a 1-inch sensor, but the real difference is in the backside illuminated structure. This new design gives dramatically faster readout speeds and much cleaner performance in tough conditions. A 1-inch sensor gives photographers incredible light-gathering power. Smartphones cannot match this without heavy software processing. When you're shooting in busy city streets or low light, this large sensor captures images with natural depth and beautiful bokeh right out of the camera. Paired with a Supercharged BIONZ XR processor, the camera becomes incredibly fast and fluid. You can navigate massive RAW files without any lag, and the AI autofocus system will lock onto eyes and moving subjects almost instantly. This combination of a large sensor and powerful processing engine is expected to deliver 2 full stops of improved low-light performance. A huge win for vloggers and low-light photographers. On the lens side, there are 2 strong rumors. Some reports say Sony will keep the long 24 to 300 mm zoom for serious travel and wildlife photography. Others suggest a faster 24 to 70 mm lens with a bright f/1.8 to f/2.8 aperture for better low-light performance. Either way, the combo of the new sensor and processor is going to be amazing. For video creators, the RX100 Mark VIII looks like a true cinema powerhouse in a pocket-sized body. It supports internal 10-bit 4:2:2 color sampling and 4K 120 recording. Some extreme rumors even mention possible 8K 30 support. Heat management is another big focus. The camera features a revolutionary thermal system so it can run high bitrate video and fast RAW bursts without overheating. The physical build is also getting a major upgrade. It will have a rugged magnesium alloy frame, better weather sealing, a fast USB Type-C 3.2 port, and a new control ring for precise manual adjustments. Battery life has always been a weak spot for tiny cameras. Sony is addressing this with a more efficient power management system. Combined with USB charging, you can shoot all day without carrying extra batteries. The wireless connectivity is also getting upgraded to the latest standards. File transfer to your phone or tablet will be faster than ever, so you can share high-quality images just seconds after shooting them. In conclusion, the RX100 Mark VIII looks like an incredible tool. It combines advanced AI tracking, stunning video features, and a rugged pocket-sized design. Sony is ready to prove that the premium compact camera is alive and well. If these leaks are accurate, the RX100 Mark VIII could become the new king of compact cameras. What do you think? Are you excited for the RX100 Mark VIII? Or are you happy with your current camera? Let me know in the comments, especially if you're a travel vlogger, street photographer, or filmmaker who needs a reliable backup camera.